There is no doubt that exercise is important for being healthy and well. However, for a lot of people, in an effort to help them be healthy, exercise can be forced on someone. It can even be used as a punishment for carrying extra weight. Usually, this is when someone else's body shaming got passed down to you. Trauma is a deeply distressing or disturbing experience. Exercise is experienced in your body. The feeling of moving, being painful or exhausting or embarrassing is exercise trauma. Exercise trauma is not a topic that is covered much in the media or in research, but I hear over and over again how exercise was used as punishment. It was forced on someone to help them lose weight, to help them be healthier. And that is experienced as trauma in their body to the point where they can't even say the word exercise. If this is you or someone you know, I want you to know that exercise trauma can be healed with a different approach to exercising. It takes time and it takes moving and thinking about exercise in a different way. But that being said, there is a way to heal exercise trauma. Let me show you how using the Be Well Now method. The Be Well Now method is an approach to exercising that re records old messages held in your cells about exercise and replaces it with moving for whole person self care. Like all trauma, the assistance of a mental health professional is part of this healing process. But healing exercise trauma takes moving your body in a different way and thinking about moving your body in a different way, one that honors your whole person. The first step is to be here now. Past experiences may be gone, but you know those emotions are still held in your body and they are very real. Honoring them, being kind to them, listening to them is a really important part of healing any trauma, especially exercise trauma. Knowing that this is not permanent, but it is real and it needs your self kindness to help heal it. The second step is the well step. This is where you trust what is here now as your guide. Below those emotions of trauma is what you really want for your well being right now. That knowing of what you want for your well being was covered up by what other people wanted. Now you get to lead your own well being. And so this step is very empowering in that it's very healing to write your own definition of your well being, to clarify your core why and the real results, how you want to feel and function better by helping your body have more mobility, strength, and stamina in the way that it is right now without needing it to look differently or perform any differently, just to exercise to feel and function better right now, the way that's important to you. And so the last step is now learning how to move well in your body right now, the way you are designed to move with less strain and more strength, and doing it mindfully. So your body and brain get an updated experience with moving as something that feels like self care. When those old tapes come up, you recognize them because you're being mindful and you can change the self talk. You adjust the type, the location, the amount, the intensity so exercise leaves you feeling better in your whole person right now. Moving with presence and kindness, the way your body's designed, rebuilds trust in your whole person. And it's part of your path to healing exercise trauma. Feel the difference at exercisingwell.com.